Good morning, dear children. In the previous class, we learned two different topics, moving starfish here and there, and like a stamp. And today, and one more topic we learned yesterday, and changing its location randomly by using more or less we use the same blocks. So whatever we use a block, please try to remember it. And today's class we will be learning another two topics, bouncing the ball up and down and counting length of a word. See, bouncing the ball up and down, you must have played a lot of mobile games, bouncing balls up and down, or here and there moving games, bounce games. So how they do it? It's very simple. Before learning this one, we may find this is a very tough, but after learning this lesson and after attending this class, you may find it is very easy. You yourself also can prepare or practice a game. You can also make a game. So that's what the first one we will learn, bouncing the ball up and down. So we will be writing a few scripts. In this block we will write. So the ball will move randomly up and down until we stop. It will be moving. So that's what we will learn. The first topic, bouncing the ball up and down. Second one, counting length of a word. So we will give a small, maybe one paragraph or any word. So it will count with no time. It will count and tell you how many letters you have typed in this line. Right? Like game, you can do it. So this is what we are going to learn in these two topics. Two topics in today's class. So let's learn this the practical way. Once again, I tell you, please follow my mouse pointer on the screen so that you can easily understand and follow whatever I do here same way, so that you will get a result. And we are also going to follow the books whatever they have given the blocks, the same way we will also follow it. So here we will do it the practical. Now let's learn this bouncing the ball up and down and the counting length of a word in the practical way. So these topics are very important, dear children, as I was telling. So to bounce a ball all around the stage, you can use pick random 1 to 10 block along with the other blocks. So when we change the position by itself, what we are supposed to do? So we mostly use pick random 1 to 10 block. So we will be using different blocks as the picture is given here. See what they used first. When we press flag key, when we clicked flag, so it will execute this. It will start, the ball will start moving. Then the same way, go to, it is moving one place to another place, pick random, the same we have to say, pick random numbers. Say again x position and as well as y position, x and y. It will move up and down. And point in direction, pick random, that also we will check the numbers and it will show. Show means where it is moving the balls, it will show. And next one is wait for a second. It will take a second to move one place to another place. And how long it will do? It will do forever until we click stop. Forever it will do. It won't stop until we stop it. Right? So that is, we have forever loop we have here. And how long it will move? It will move only 10 seconds. Move 10 seconds. Please, dear children, please follow my arrow key, mouse key. It will move 10 seconds. And finally, where it bounces, it bounces on the edge. It bounces on the edge. Right? Now we shall do it in the sprite application, Scratch application. First, what we are supposed to do here? First, we have to insert a ball. Right? First, let us insert the ball, delete the cat sprite. Now choose ball from the library. Just type ball. You can choose any ball. Let me choose this ball, color ball. It will change the color, right? Or shall we take basketball or beach ball? Let us take here beach ball. So here also they have given beach ball. Let us also take beach ball. So we have inserted the ball, beach ball here, and first block is when flag clicked. So drag and leave here. And the next one is go to x and y positions. So it is there under motion go to X and Y position here. So drag and join here with this one with flag. The next block is point in direction, and before that, in the X position and Y position, what we have to insert? That we have to insert pick random, leave it inside X. So here we have to leave the X position also and the Y position also, we have to leave pick random one. So leave it in the both places. Then afterwards, and after here, point in direction, we have to take, it is under motion, point in direction 30. See here, point in direction 1 there, leave and join, drag and join here with the next step. So first line is over, second line is over, and third line. And here then see the numbering also, what they have given the numbering, minus 240 and 2 plus 240, minus 240 and plus 240, and here 180 minus 180 and plus 180, right. Point direction, and here also we have to insert pick random numbers under operator blocks, leave here, and see the numbering, they did not change anything, so they have given same number, pick random number, right, 1 to 10. And the next one is show, whatever we do here it has to show, right. So bring the show from the looks block, show, yeah, under the looks block it is here, show, yeah, looks category, we have to bring the looks block, sorry, show block. And the next one, we have to wait for 1 second, events, see under control category, wait for 1 second, bring it, leave it here. The next one, we have to bring forever under control category, forever, leave it here, we left, almost we are going to complete now. So inside forever we are going to give some conditions, that is move 10 steps, that is under move 10 steps here under the motion block, first one is there, move 10 steps. And next one is if on edge bounce, what we are supposed to do, but it has to bounce, it is also under motion block category, you have to keep it, right. Now we have almost completed now. When we press this flag, it will start bouncing, the ball will start bouncing the X, Y position under random way, right. Let us now execute this. Let me keep it a full screen. Now this ball will start bouncing when I press this flag, right. Yeah, I am going to start now. See, start bouncing up and down. Until we stop, it will be bouncing. I don't do anything, I just left my mouse pointer somewhere here. See, it is not, I don't make it bounce. Whatever we wrote that coding, the block, right, the scratch application, it is moving. This is a stage. The box is inside the box only it will bounce. That is the control. So out of the box it will not go. So it will not bounce, right. So you see here, when I stop, wherever I stop, there the ball will stop. When I press the flag key, it will stop from there. Then if I stop, there it will stop, and if I click a flag key, it will start moving. So like this way we can write that, the coding for bouncing the ball. So dear children, if you get a time, please practice it. This is very simple and interesting one. Now let us go to the next one, counting length of a word. It is very simple. When we give any letters or words, it will count and tell you the letters. If you give any numbers, any length word, if you give, it will count and tell you the letters, how many letters are there in the word. That is what we are going to see today's in this chapter, counting length of a word, right. So, the same way what they say, first we have to open a new one, that we know already. So, open a new file in the Scratch by clicking on a file new, that we know already. So, what we are going to now, let us follow this picture. Let us follow this picture. That is what they have given. The next page also they have given us to follow the picture. They will tell us one by line, right. Okay, then let us do it now. First, open a new file. When you open a new file, everything will be erased and you will get a new one, right. And what category they used it? They have the same cat sprite, and the background they have changed. Choose background. Choose backdrop from library, and in that room 3 they have used. So, let us change the backdrop, room 3. So, here they have used, and bring the cat here somewhere downside. Now, everything is ready. Now, we have to select the cat and then we have to start writing the coding, start writing the block everything. So, whatever is written here, the same thing they say line by line, but if we follow, let us follow this picture, that is what we are going to do everything. So, if we follow the picture, this lining blocks, we will get the exact result, right. Shall we do it now? Yeah. Now, we shall follow. First, let us keep a control. So, when I press flag key, it has to execute, right. And the next, what they do? Ask and wait, this block, ask and wait. Let us see here, it is under sensing, category. We can take ask, what's your name, and wait. So, this bring and join with flag, and inside we can type anything, what is your name, we can type anything, right. Okay, that we will type it later. And the next one, say hello for 2 seconds, that is a block, right. So, say hello for 2 seconds, this one, first one, drag and leave here, and inside hello what they have used? They used answer, right. Answer they used, bring answer under sensing category, drag and leave the answer in here, inside hello. Now, 2 lines are over. The third one, the third line, say some letters are given for 2 seconds, it is there under again looks block, say hello for 2 seconds, right. Say hello for 2 seconds here and drag and leave here, next one. And the next line is fourth line, think for 2 seconds, think in the same block, looks category, think for 2 seconds. Dear children, please do not confuse here. First is say hello for 2 seconds, and second one is say only hello, and the second and third one, think for 2 seconds, and next one think that is all. So, do not be confused. Here we need think for 2 seconds, right, we have inserted. And next one is say hello for 2 seconds, same category, same thing we have to insert here, say hello for 2 seconds. Do not be confused, dear children, please be careful. And say, can you count the number of letters? Here type, can you count the number of, type it, okay, can you, letters, number of letters. Question we ask, and first one, can you guess any long word? Question, and it will ask for answer for 2 seconds, and it will ask again it will ask when we execute this one box will appear, there we will type something and it will show the answer, and that counting it will ask everything to show, and then it will show the number here, and it will wait for 2 seconds, and after waiting for 2 seconds, so it will show the answers. See here, length of that we have to insert from the operator, length of so the length of is there under operator category, you can bring length of and leave it inside the hello, and here we have to bring answer also, answer under sensing category, leave it here. Now it is ready to execute. Now we are ready to execute this coding, this block it is ready to execute. When we press this, it will execute the answer. Now I will keep it full screen as it is given in the book. Now let me type, let me click, let me execute. So when I press this one, it will start executing. See downside, when I press, I will show you once again, when I press start go, it shows here, can you guess any long word? So it is asking question. Here we can type anything. Let me type computer science, computer science. When I give OK, it will show computer science, and it will wait for 2 seconds. Can you count the number of, then it shows, see one by one, 16 letters we have 16 letters, then it stops. Then we can exit once again and we can type anything. Here I will type Little Flower School, Little Flower School. So I will give OK. Then see here Little Flower School, and it will count the number. It has 21 characters, 21 alphabets we have. So likewise we can execute this one. This is how we have to count the length of a word, counting the length of the word. So this is very easy. So yes, dear children, this is how we can count the numbers. So these blocks are very simple. If you follow the pictures and if you insert the coding line by line as it is given the book, we can get the exact answer. So try. If you try, you can really do it properly. So unless if you don't try, we cannot achieve it, right? So first one we have seen the bouncing ball. So most of the time we play mobile games, how they do it, the same way they do it. So if you are interested, you also can create a small games, okay, and counting the numbers. Just yourself create some small games. So this is a sample it is. So I hope you understood, and I hope you are practicing at home. So don't waste the time, and when you get a chance, please practice it. This is a very basic for your computer science programming. So when you come to the higher classes, you will learn in advanced level. So be at home, try to practice at home, learn properly. Thank you, dear children.